Hello, hi, my name is
Amber.
Melly Pretty. Today we are here conducting Ghetto Ballerina's driving test. Today I have with me Alex White and Dr. Emily. Okay, Ghetto Ballerina. So we're going to conduct your driving test. So basically the macros you're going to need before proceeding is body cam mode on, emergency mode on, and flashes and sirens. Once you arrive to your destination and turn off your engine, you will then throw up the last macro, which is emergency mode off. Remember to keep on your right hand side. Don't over excel over 80. Treat every walk sign like it's a stop sign and wait at it for 2 to 3 seconds. Whenever you're ready, you can go ahead and throw up those macros. And keep in mind, please drive like you was driving in RRL. Um, so whenever you're ready to proceed to throw up those macros, you may do so. Have any questions?
No, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So guess what? All right.
Alright. Whenever you're ready to throw up your macros.
My bad.
Nah, he gonna answer the calls, and we gonna help him.
Wait. Pause. Stop the car. Stop the car.
So turn all your stuff off, emergency, camera, everything.
Yeah, I'm trying to turn the camera off because
Perfect. Alright, you can drive all the way to the middle. Remember to turn off that engine and drop that last macro. Perfect. You may enter out the vehicle.